Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're spotlighting the Kérastase Resistance Serum Therapiste hair serum, renowned for its ability to transform damaged hair. If you're looking to restore vitality and protect your locks, this might just be the holy grail you've been searching for. Let's kick things off with why this serum stands out. Formulated with a unique blend of dual oils and cream, it's designed specifically for weakened, over-processed, and damaged hair. Whether your hair has been through excessive styling or chemical treatments, this serum promises intensive repair and nourishment. One of the standout features is its heat protection up to a staggering 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it not just a repair serum but also an essential heat protectant, shielding your hair from the damaging effects of styling tools like curling irons and straighteners. Users rave about its ability to deeply hydrate and repair the hair fiber, leaving your strands smoother, shinier, and visibly healthier. Imagine saying goodbye to frizz and split ends, and hello to salon-quality hair from the comfort of your own home. What's particularly impressive is how lightweight it feels despite its powerful effects. You won't find your hair weighed down or greasy after application, just a luxurious feeling of revitalized hair. Wondering how to incorporate this serum into your routine? It's simple. After towel drying your hair, dispense 1 to 2 pumps into your palm, emulsify, and distribute evenly from mid-lengths to ends. Then, style as usual. It's a straightforward addition that can make a world of difference. Users appreciate not only its effectiveness but also its versatility. Whether you have fine hair or a thick mane, this serum adapts to provide the care your hair needs. While there are other hair serums on the market, few combine the reparative qualities and heat protection like the Kérastase Serum Therapiste. Its unique formulation sets it apart from generic serums, offering a tailored solution for damaged hair that's hard to match. Wrapping up, if you're ready to invest in your hair's health, the Kérastase Resistance Serum Therapiste is a solid choice. It's not just a serum. It's a transformative treatment that can restore your hair's natural beauty and strength. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you've tried this serum or have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest reviews and product insights. Until next time, take care.